So if we click back onto our logo up here and we go open a new tab, and I want you guys to go to customize for me. So what we're going to set up now is our footer section of our website. So this is going to display at the bottom of all of our pages, which is this section. There's nothing there at the moment. So at the moment it's just displaying like that. But let's set up our footer. So if we go to footer and we select 2 or 3, let's go 3 for now, okay? And then we go to widgets. We go to footer. Okay, so if we go to add widget, we're just going to simply go to text, arbitrary text. Put that in there, and you would type in something. Okay, so there's, as you can see, that's looking quite nice. If we go back, we can go to footer number 2. We can hit add widget, add another arbitrary text, and we're going to call this one contact, and again we can put in our details, and then perhaps you could put in, if you'd like, you could put in one more footer which could have perhaps your location. That's looking really nice and professional, I think. Okay, awesome. So that's our footer setup, which is very important on a website. So we've got one last nice little touch to add on, and then we are officially finished our website, guys. So we're going to go up to customize, site title and tagline. So what we're going to be changing is, see this little tiny icon over here, which is currently the HostGator icon. We're going to change it so that we have our own logo there, which just adds a final nice little touch. So if we go to select image, and then I'm just going to go with one that I already have and insert that, but you select yours and then insert that. Just try and ensure that it's around 512 by 512 pixels. Look at that, there we go. So just that nice final little touch on our website. So all we do now is just simply hit publish, exit out,